So the first thing that we have to realize is that we have an equation. Okay, all of this is going to equal this. Okay, and that's just because I see these words is equal. So I'm going to rewrite the expression into an equation. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Just simply rewrite all of this and we'll call that 1y. All right, so here's the next thing. I realized that we have this negative sign outside all of this. All right, what that does is it changes the values away from what it is now. In this case, they're both positive. 3x and the 1/4 are both positive. You have to change them to negatives. So again, I'm going to start rewriting, but I'm going to drop the parentheses as I won't need these anymore because that's the whole point of the negative sign. So it's negative 3x now, and it's also going to be negative 1/4. Still equals 4x plus 1y. I'm just going to leave it as y. I'm not going to really need that coefficient of 1 at the moment because I can already see what's going to happen here. What I'm going to do is combine these terms that have the same variable part, and that's 7x and negative 3x to be 4x, right? We also have other like terms that are constants because they do not have a variable part. They're both the same sign, so I need to just kind of add them together. Okay, so a negative 4 and a negative 1/4 together is negative 4 and 1/4, and it still equals 4x plus y. So remember, the original question says determine the value of y. Okay, so if you take a look, we know what y has to be, all right, because we already have 4x here, and on the other side it's 4x, okay, and we have we have negative 4 and 1/4. So in order for it to be equal, this y has to be negative 4 and 1/4. So as an answer, y equals negative 4 and 1/4.